on top of a beehive. There'll be ants that nest into the styrofoam and make tunnels. I see a queen, or maybe several queens in this ant colony. There's some big fat ones. The biggest massive larvae. These are very small ants.